Hey there, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be canceling my Pro subscription of Anthropic, including Claude Code, and switching over to free Claude Code, which is available on GitHub. Currently has around 22,000 stars, and it allows you to run through free and cheap models through NVIDIA, Openrouter, and also Ollama. So effectively, I'm spending $0 to build a new app in Next.js. And I'm going to show you step by step how to do all of this in this tutorial. So without further ado, let's get into it. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I look forward to showing you how to set up free Claude Code. I'm going to leave a link in the description below where you can get started. Effectively, what this allows you to do is to set up a proxy in order to use free or very cheap models through NVIDIA, Openrouter, DeepSeek, LM Studio, and Ollama. And in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you step by step how to get started setting it up. I'm also going to be canceling my Claude Pro subscription because I'm blowing through credits faster than ever. And this is one of the many reasons why I've decided to cancel my subscription. To kick things off, I'm just going to come over to my Claude billing settings, and we're going to cancel the Pro subscription right now. Just going to click on this red cancel plan button. I'm just going to say taking a break, and we're going to submit that. So now Claude Pro subscription is canceled, and we're going to be switching over to free Claude Code. Currently has 21,000 stars on GitHub, and I'm going to show you how to set this up right now. So to get started, we're just going to scroll down to the quick start section right here, and I'm going to copy this git clone command and paste it into my terminal over here. What that's going to do is download all of the files for free Claude Code. We're going to cd in. The next step is going to be copying the .env.example file over to .env, and then we're just going to open up that file over here. We can configure all of the API keys for NVIDIA NIM, Openrouter, DeepSeek, Kimi, LM Studio. In this case, I'm just going to be setting up NVIDIA NIM. In order to get started with NVIDIA, you're just going to want to create an account over here on build.nvidia.com. Here are all of the available models with free endpoints, and we can sort by most popular as well to see which ones are blowing up right now. So you can see Llama 4 is available right here. If I click on this, I can open it up and test it out. It should return a result right away here. So it says thinking, and we can see exactly what it's doing over here, using one of the many available free models, and it just comes back and says, hello, I'm working, how can I help you today? It's using this model. And then if I want to get the API key, we're just going to come up here to settings, and then we can choose API keys. And from here, we can easily generate a new API key right here. So I'm just going to call it free Claude Code, and we're going to set the expiration to 12 months, and we're just going to generate that key quickly and easily. And I'm just going to paste it into the .env file. And I'm also going to do the same thing for Openrouter over here so that we have access to all of these hundreds of models, many of them available completely for free through Openrouter. We're just going to come over here and generate another API key. We're going to call it free Claude Code once again. And then all we're going to do is copy and paste this into the .env file over here. And we're just going to save that. And then if you want access to DeepSeek, Kimi 2.5, or LM Studio, Ollama, you can input all of those over here as well. But in this case, I think I'm just going to use the free models through NVIDIA. And now we're just going to come back over to GitHub, and it says exactly how to run it right here. So we're going to start the proxy on port 8082. So I'm just going to run this command, and you can see it is now starting free Claude Code. Look at that, very, very cool. So in order to get started, you're going to run free Claude Code over here. What that's going to do is it's going to start up the proxy server on your local host, port 8082, and then over here, you're going to run this command with the Anthropic base URL pointing to that proxy server, and then Claude. So now we should have access to free Claude Code over here. If we go ahead and take a look at stats, you can see it is no longer using the Anthropic API. It's now using my auth token, Anthropic auth token, which you can see right here. And if I go ahead and run a prompt, I'm just going to do test. You can see it has now fired that over to the proxy server, and it's running free Claude Code over here. So that's pretty cool. We're using the NVIDIA NIM GLM 4.7 through the NVIDIA models, and the one thing I will say is that it does seem a lot slower than if I was using Claude Code on the Pro subscription, but we should be able to get some things done over here on my local repository. We'll see how long this takes. If it's too slow, then I can always switch over to one of the Openrouter models over here. There's tons of options to choose from, literally hundreds of them. The Nemotron 3 Super model I've been quite impressed with because I've been running this one a lot in Open Code. So if we do want to switch over to that, we can do so, but I just want to see how long it takes. All I've done over here is a simple prompt test. It came back with test received, system active, ready for tasks. That took quite a while to just run this simple prompt. So let's see what else we can do. Create me a simple app. So now after another minute, it's asking what kind of app, web app, command line interface tool, and what should it do? So in this case, I'm just going to say, build me a simple Python app to extract stock data. And once again, it fired it off to the proxy server over here, and now it's going to start running this. I would recommend switching over the model to something like StepFun 3.5 Flash. This one's only 10 cents per million tokens, so it's very, very affordable. And it's also a lot faster than the GLM 2.4, which is the default. You're just going to want to make sure to top up your credits. I've currently got about $1 in here of credits. And then if you want to top up your credits in Openrouter, you could just click here and fill them up. But I would recommend just using any of the free models. In this case, I'm just going to use Step 3.5 Flash. So now I've just gone ahead and created a new project folder. This is going to be for my AI search tool that I want to build, and we're just going to go ahead and trust that folder. What I've gone ahead and done is I've come over to Claude Desktop, and I just said create the complete detailed prompt to build an app which optimizes websites for AI search visibility using all of the conventional best practices from this link right here. This is a detailed AI visibility guide, and what it's done is it's just created this complete detailed prompt over here. It is now creating the claude.md file, so I'm just going to go ahead and approve that. And then we can take a look at what it looks like over here. So here it is. This is the complete claude.md file, one of the most important files in any project directory. So we can just read through this, and this is essentially the blueprint to build my new app using free Claude Code. And if we come over to Openrouter, we can see I've essentially used 0 credits in order to build this so far. And it looks very, very similar to Claude Code. As you can see over here, it shows how many tokens it's used, which essentially are free, and it's going to start building out the files. So here we go. It's creating the package.json file. This is a really important file. Also tsconfig.json. It's just going to go through and create all the files. It's writing all the code for me. It's creating the Tailwind, which is like CSS, completely for free using free Claude Code. How amazing is that? And now it's just going ahead and creating more files here. It's just going to make the directories, and if I come over here, I can see that it is in fact creating the files. We've still got the claude.md, got the package.json file over here, which basically just gives it all the packages that it needs access to, and then we've got Tailwind as well. So this is essentially the CSS for the website, and tsconfig. I don't know exactly what this one does, but I don't really need to know what it does. It's just doing everything for me. We've got the layout.tsx file, which is a Next.js file. Also middleware.ts, that's another really important file. Just going through and creating all of these for the Next.js app. The MVP, minimal viable product, which is exactly what I want, and it's doing all of this completely for free. If I go ahead and refresh Openrouter here, you can see I'm still at $1.68, so I've essentially used no credits whatsoever, which is amazing. And it's just going to continue going through and creating all of the files, which we can easily see over here, and it's still running on the free Claude Code model. We're using StepFun 3.5 Flash. I'm really glad that I decided to cancel my Pro subscription, which is $20 a month. I really don't need it anymore, especially if I can use something like this to accomplish the same tasks completely for free or very, very cheaply. And now I don't have to worry about blowing through my credits at an alarming rate. There's no way that I was going to upgrade to the $100 per month plan, the max plan. It's just not necessary anymore, especially as the free models continue getting better and better. You can see it's running really fast over here. It's still running on the proxy server. You can see I still haven't used any of my credits over here on Openrouter. And we're just going to continue going through and creating all of the files that it needs to build out the Next.js app. And I'm really looking forward to showing this off. Once it's finished, this is going to be my next app after Tube Analytics. And it's going to help you to optimize your website for AI search visibility so that you show up in ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity, all of those. If you're not showing up in the AI search results, then your brand essentially doesn't exist, because more and more people are going to these LLMs when they're searching for a given solution. Stay tuned. I look forward to showing off the app once it's finished, and I'm just going to be building it out using free Claude Code. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I had a lot of fun making this video. If you wouldn't mind, please go ahead, subscribe to the channel, and also check out my school community over here. It's now $9 per month. We've got about 2,600 members in here, and I share a lot of value inside the school community. There's a link in the description below to check it out. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Peace from Thailand, signing off.